Is this a good time to buy Vechain? Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. Earlier this week, I asked you guys which coins do you want me to make a technical analysis video on. You requested Vechain and XRP. I made an XRP video earlier on. This is my Vechain video. If you want me to make any other altcoin videos, comment below this video which coins you want me to cover. I'll do another poll next week, and the top 2 coins I'll make a video on. If you want me to carry on making Vechain videos, just hit that like button and comment something about Vechain, or just type in VET, and I'll make a Vechain video next week. Vechain, whatever you say about Vechain price dropping, but Vechain fundamentally is one of the strongest cryptocurrencies and use cases. I don't think there's anyone apart from Ethereum and Bitcoin that can compete with Vechain. But Vechain isn't as popular. It's popular on my channel, but it doesn't have the hype as much as XRP or Cardano or some of the other coins. But fundamentally, it is a strong coin. So in this video, guys, I'll be talking about the 2 big news for Vechain, in my opinion, and then, guys, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis and price prediction. And as usual, guys, on this channel, I don't just talk about price going up or down. I share with you exactly which coins I'm looking to buy, sell, targets, and all the live trades. Also, before I get started, I am doing a live stream in about an hour or so. So if you're watching this video, I'm probably doing a live stream. So hit that like button and check us out. Join our live stream. You can subscribe, turn on the notification button, and join our live stream. I'll share with you live trades. And it's really important, again, before I talk about this video, one of the key things that we'll be looking at is Bitcoin breaking above 20k. If Bitcoin is not above 20k, the Vechain trade setup I'll be sharing with you, I'm not going to look to buy, and we could go lower. This is so important. What Bitcoin does in the next week, next few days is important for the whole cryptocurrency market, because in its history, Bitcoin has never broken below its previous all-time highs. If you look at the Bitcoin charts, go back in history of Bitcoin has never broken previous all-time high. If you go back in 2017, 2014, it's always made a low above there. So this is really big. Unless Bitcoin can get quickly above 20k, we could have a big sell-off. There's lots of other bearish news that's going on as well. I'll cover all of that in the live stream. So click that, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and yes, I'll see you on that live stream. Now let's get into the Vechain video. The reason I'm talking about Bitcoin is really important to understand what's happening with Bitcoin before we trade altcoins, because if Bitcoin dumps, it could be one of the best altcoins, but it can dump a lot. So Ethereum even dumped 90% or 80%, went down to $180 when Bitcoin dumps. It's really important to see what happens. So Vechain is, again, like I said, fundamentally is one of the strongest cryptocurrencies, but with Bitcoin being down 60-70%, Vechain's down 90%. It's absolutely ridiculous. But this is also gives you an opportunity. So if you fundamentally like Vechain, this is the time to buy. Don't buy in a raging bull market. Buy now. I'll share with you my buy setup. I don't hodl Vechain, and I'm not hodling now. I'll share with you what I need to see to buy Vechain. But if you fundamentally believe on this, buy it now, because it's such an amazing level. If we start breaking down even more, trend changing, then maybe wait. But this is at support, so long term you could look to buy Vechain. It's a nice level to buy Vechain. What I would like to see for me to trigger my Vechain buy is a trend change in Vechain above 30 cent and Bitcoin above 20k. If I see that, I will be happy to risk not just buying Vechain. There's lots of other altcoins that are looking very strong. Sol, I'll make a video on Sol, Tron next week. Those 2 coins are still hodling, even though Bitcoin is breaking down. So I'll talk about, I'll make a couple more altcoin videos next week. But if Bitcoin breaks above 20k, Vechain above 30 cents, that will signal me a buy signal, and I'd look to buy Vechain. I think it would head towards 50. It's 50? It'd head towards 5-6 cents. Apologies. Mixing up 2 cents and 20 cents. So Vechain above 3 cent, I'd be looking to buy Vechain around there, targeting 5 cent, 6 cent, potentially doubling that trade. Let's talk about some news, and then finally I'll share with you my technical analysis and share the exact trade setup that we are looking at. So Vechain becomes the first UFC's first layer 1 blockchain partner. So this is quite a big news. I mean, we've already seen UFC's popularity in cryptocurrency, and they support cryptocurrency. So Vechain being the first layer 1 blockchain solution is quite big. They could actually be using a blockchain, not just partnering and then promoting it. They'll actually be using Vechain products to use in UFC in an actual big billion-dollar company. So I think this is quite big. So integration allows Vechain with strong association with one of the most important components of UFC's matchmaking fighter rank. So they're looking to collaborate to custom original content featuring UFC talent and athletes. Under multi-year agreement, Vechain will own UFC's official fighter ranking details. How big is that? Let me know what you think about this news. So that is one of the big news. There's obviously other news as well, but for me that is one of the big news that I've seen for Vechain. And even in this market, you can see Vechain still making progression, and a lot of the Twitter and YouTube content creators don't really talk about it. The other big news that I like is the Vechain expanding in Europe. So we already talked about Vechain doing quite well in Asia, but with this partnership, Vechain is trying to take the lead in blockchain in Europe, so demonstrating how manufacturers or retailers can enable true end-to-end traceability of products from supplier to consumer. I've talked about the importance that Vechain plays in the transportation network with, using blockchain to securely do deliveries, and in the I can't remember the name now, but the transport industries, Vechain can play a big part, and it's great to see they're doing all of that, the traceability applications, gathering information across value chain in using Vechain. So that's another two big positive news that I'm seeing. And like I've said, if this bullishness starts in the stock market starts pumping, Bitcoin starts pumping, Vechain can do really well. I'm not going to get too much into that, but it's really important to understand what's going on with the whole market. I made a video on I'll cover that in the live stream, actually, the importance of how everything is interconnected. So if stock market is selling off, there's inflation, there's lots of economic bad news, interest rates rising, we need everything to line up. So we need stock market start pumping, Bitcoin start doing well, positive news, there's a negative cycle with we've seen Luna dump, then we've seen Celsius dumping, and then if Celsius dumps, this could affect 3 Arrows Capital, potentially even Michael Saylor, and these are all bad news that keeps happening over and over again. So it's really important to get a good news cycle, and that would be a prerequisite to the trade setup that I'll be sharing with you. So trade setup wise, if you ask me for my prediction now, as long as Bitcoin is below 20k, I was looking to buy that, we didn't get that. I think that Vechain will do something like this and then potentially have another leg down. So it's not the prediction you want to hear, but in the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll share with you when I'm bullish, when I'm bearish. I bought Vechain in the initial pump. Again, you can go type in Vechain, you'll see the exact trade setup with entries and targets. We're buying this breakout. Now we're breaking down, unless we break back above 3 cent, break back above this daily moving average, weekly moving average, start trend changing, I will be looking for bearish setup. So that's the technical analysis. If you ask me what I'm expecting Vechain to do, I'm looking for that. And if it starts breaking below 2 cent, I think it goes even lower from technical analysis point of view. And you have to deal with that differently, technical analysis and fundamentally buying and hodling something. I just dollar cost average some of the coins I'm bullish in, but this is from technical analysis point of view. For me to be bullish again, I'll use that zone that I shared. So I'll be looking for some lower highs and then breakout. I'll be looking for a pullback entry. And if you have been watching our channel, we look for a breakout, pullback to 4 hour moving average and Fibonacci zone 50% 618 to find the best high probability entry to ride the trend. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. On the YouTube channel, I'll share with you where I'm looking to buy and sell. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I can post my entries, exits, and all that good stuff. So that's the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think Vechain has put a bottom in? Do you think Vechain will start pumping? And also let me know your thoughts about Vechain long term. So is it a project that you like? So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Check out the live stream if you're just watching this video now. And thank you very much for watching.